much, around appraisal time, we're usually bombarded with memes that compare the gross salary with what you actually get in your bank account. Have you ever wondered why the salary you get is lower than what was agreed upon? Einstein has said that the hardest thing to understand in this world is the income tax. But today, in this edition of Budget Aasan Bhasha Mai, I, Mubina Kapasi, will attempt to explain just that. You know, many a times people ask, what's in the budget for me? Well, the answer is taxes. And every year in this budget, the finance minister decides how much tax you're going to pay. So you've got to listen up. First up, something called as exemption. It's basically the income on which you don't have to pay tax. For example, right now, up to 2.5 lakh rupees of all our income is exempt. And everybody hopes that this number increases because that will affect everyone's entire tax math. Currently, this is what the tax slabs are. So let's say you're earning 12 lakh rupees, this is what you'll have to pay. But if the finance minister, say, raises the exemption limit to 3 lakhs, then this is what you'll have to pay. That's a 2,500 rupees extra in your pocket. I'll leave it to you to calculate the bonanza if the finance minister decides to actually cut the tax rates itself. Second term, rebate. It's like a discount, but not on your gadget. It's on the tax you pay. So while the exemption is actually on the income, a rebate is on the final tax you pay, and it may not apply to all of us. For example, when the previous finance minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley, gave a rebate of 12,500 rupees on the tax, it essentially meant it is applicable for all those earning less than 5 lakh rupees. Third, LTCG. I'm sure many of you guys have dabbled in the stock markets, lost some money, earned some money in some shares. That profit or loss is what we can call as long-term or short-term capital gain. It is called long-term if you've held a listed share for more than 1 year and then made a profit on selling that share. That's essentially long-term capital gains. Now, while Mr. Arun Jaitley gave us the rebate, he also taxed LTCG. So if you've enjoyed a capital gain of more than 1 lakh rupees, you have to pay 10% tax. Now, investors are saying that theek hai, we will pay this tax, but at least increase the definition of the duration of long-term to 2 years. Let's hope FM Sitaraman pays heed. That was us trying to break down some budget terms for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.